Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will compare Google Pixel 8 with Google Pixel 8 Pro. Inside the box for both the phones, you get handset, 1 meter USB-C Type to USB-C Type cable, quick switch adapter. Quick switch adapter is nothing but a OTG to copy or move your data from your old phones, and also you will get a SIM tool. Let's see what are the color options for both these phones. Pixel 8 comes with hazel, obsidian and rose colors. Pixel 8 Pro comes with 2 color obsidian and bay. Both these phones support 5G and Wi-Fi network. Let's see what are the display options for both these phones. Pixel 8 comes with 6.2-inch screen with full HD display, and it supports a resolution of 1080 into 2400. Pixel 8 Pro has 6.7-inch of screen which has full HD AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 1344 into 2992 pixels. Both this phone comes with the same CPU, Tensor 3 Nano-core Cortex chipset. GPU is of Immortalis G715 chipset. Let us see what are the memory options and storage options for both these phones. Pixel 8 comes with 8GB of internal memory. Pixel 8 comes with 128 or 256GB of internal storage. Pixel 8 Pro comes with 12GB of internal memory. It also comes with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB or 1TB of internal storage. Both these phones doesn't have any expansion slot. So what are the camera options for both the phones? Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro comes with 10.5 megapixel of camera which supports 4K recording. Pixel 8 in the back has dual camera which is of 50 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera. Pixel 8 Pro comes with triple camera which is of 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel telephoto and 48 megapixel of ultra wide camera lenses. Both these phones supports 4K recording. Both the phones has inbuilt speaker, and both the phones doesn't come with 3.5mm audio jack port. Let us see what are the battery options for both the phones. Pixel 8 has 4595 mAh battery which uses 27 watts for charging. Pixel 8 Pro has 5050 mAh battery which uses 30 watts for charging. Both the phones supports wireless charging. Both Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro comes with Android 14 out of the box. Google has announced that they will provide 7 years of upgrade to Pixel 8 series, which is a fantastic news. This means you don't have to change your phone just because of Android OS. Both the phones, Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, has built-in artificial intelligence features to adjust your photos, video lighting, and also it comes with text-to-speech translate in multiple language. It also supports many Indian languages too. Apart from this, these phones are IP68 dust and water resistant. These phones comes with nano SIM and also with eSIM.